Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make a very simple but absolutely beautiful vegetable fried rice. We've got a bit of curry powder in there to give it a nice flavour. Cheap, easy, versatile. Like I say, you can put any sort of vegetables in you want. Let's get moving. Okay, so let's take a look at the ingredients that we have here. First of all, let me point out the essentials. So you're going to need onion, garlic, and curry powder. The other selection of vegetables is entirely up to you. What I've got, I mean, it's all sort of roughly equal parts. I've got some green bell peppers, zucchini or courgette, obviously the onion, carrots cut nice and small, some green beans, some spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call them, some fresh cilantro, a couple of teaspoons of cumin seeds, and like I say, the curry powder here. I've got like 3 teaspoons of a curry powder. Now the curry powder I'm using, I actually make myself. I'll leave the link for it at the end if I remember. Or you could just use one from a store. And of course we're going to need rice, so let's just have a look at our rice. Now I'm using a basmati rice, cooked, and you may have heard me say this many times before if you're a regular. Cold rice, that is actually from yesterday. 1 day old rice is beautiful. Hot rice, warm rice, doesn't work out so well. Let's get to the cooker. We're going to add some salt and we're going to add a bit of oil to start it off with. Let's go. So let's get started. So you're going to need a wok, a skillet or something that you can fry this in. I've got some oil in there and I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you wanted. Heat is on and I've just dropped in those cumin seeds. Just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to now add our onion. And then your hard vegetables. So for me it's carrot and my green beans. So let's just throw these around. We're on a above medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just give them a head start on everything else. So easy. Fantastic, just a little head start there. Now we can drop in our chopped garlic. Now if you wanted, you could be adding some ginger to this as well. And then going to add some salt. And then my other vegetables. So I've got bell peppers here. And I've got zucchini, which I've cut the skin off. Now think about mushrooms, eggplants, cauliflower, celery, the list goes on and on, doesn't it? Getting a nice mix that you like. And in fact, you know what, you could use one of those frozen mixed vegetables if you fancied it. It will work. I'm now going to go in with that beautiful homemade curry powder, and we're going to stay on this just above medium heat for another 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time now. So the vegetables are coming on beautifully, still a nice crunch on them. Next up we're going to add in the rice. Like I say, 1 day old rice is perfect. And we're going to now fry the rice for another 4 to 5 minutes, staying on this above medium heat. Now you really do want to actually fry the rice. Don't just mix it in here for 2 minutes and think it's done. Try and fry it. If you get a little bit of colour on it, a little browning or blackening even, that is perfect. So it's in about 4 or 5. And I hope you can hear that. That is your rice frying there. And because we've used this nice cold day old rice, none of it's sticking together. It's beautiful. Right, off goes the heat. We're now going to drop in spring onions or green onions, cilantro or coriander. So many names for so many things, aren't there? So many different names. That's it. We've done it. Do you want fresh chili in there? You could chop a few in there if you like now. Get them in there for a little extra spice. For me, I'm fine. That is beautiful. Let me get this on a plate for you. Okay, and there you go. Look at that, steaming hot. So, so easy. Add any vegetables you like. And like I said, if you want some extra kick in there, maybe some chili powder or some fresh chilies. That's beautiful. I hope you enjoy that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. A thumbs up helps us out a great deal. And a comment. We'd like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.